Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can stop automatic updates on Windows 11 permanently. So first you want to press on Windows and R, so basically you want to turn on run. So once you turn on run, you just want to type in, there's like two ways I've shown you guys previously. The other way is you can just type in run here, so that's as simple as that. So over here you just want to write services.msc, I believe. So once you type this over here, you're gonna get quite a lot of information. From here you just want to go to W, and then once you're over here you should have something like Windows Update, I believe. So if you scroll down, search module. Okay, so I don't think update is here. Not really sure where it is. Windows camera, Windows, all of that. There should be Windows Update somewhere. Let me find where it is and then I'll see you guys. Alright guys, sorry. I completely forgot, so I won't be able to stop the Windows Update thingy. That is because I am in the Insider program. So if you're in the Insider program, you can't stop it because they're always trying to fix bugs. But if you're not in the Inside program, right, the Insider program, right below search, you're gonna have right below time, I believe, you're gonna have Windows Update. And over here, if I press on extend, as you can see, stop search. So if I go here, I can just stop it and just press on stop, and that's gonna be it. All you want to do is come over here and you just basically want to startup type. You just want to press on disable and then apply. Obviously I'm not going to do that to my search, but that's what you want to do to your Windows Update. And you have to make sure that you're not in the Insider program. If you're in the Insider program, it is not going to work for you. As you can see in mine, I do not have that option. So with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.